have so much hair and I'm always looking for solutions to get all this ready without spending hours. So this is one of the great solutions that I've found. The tool that is gonna glam you up in the less time possible. Super quick, is very big over here. So for all this hair, it's a fantastic tool to get it quick and done. Okay, so far, look at this side compared to this side. It's a huge difference. That way you can see how it does works wonder in a short period of time whenever you need to get going. And of course, all these, like, I can do it really quick, but like you can just see them and give it one pass or two. And I mean, and this is how it turned out to be for both sides. And over here, I just wanted to show you that you have the off, low, middle, and high option. And when you twist this is how you activate them. Low, middle, and high. And then all the way back to off.